How much risk are you willing to accept by hiring a cheap contractor? Eric here, Blue Nail Roofing, and today we're talking about what you're going to sacrifice when you hire a budget contractor. And one of the things you should know is that your manufacturer's warranty can be entirely voided if you choose the wrong person. And let me tell you a few reasons why. Now, by the way, manufacturer's warranties, you may not think this is a big deal, but it is, because if that product's defective, this can not cost you hundreds or thousands, but tens of thousands of dollars to replace your own roof, even though the product was defective. Here's a few reasons. The first thing, budget contractors oftentimes don't replace required components on your roof. Meaning, if there's a component that the manufacturer requires to make your roofing system and it does not get installed, this will void your warranty automatically. Another thing you should understand is compatible components. So manufacturers often desire and request that you use components that are manufactured by them to make sure that they go together. Now, if somebody decides to use a shingle from one manufacturer, an underlayment from another, and maybe a starter strip and ridge from a different manufacturer, well, that combination of products very well may void your warranty, because if there's a failure that is not related to that manufacturer's product, it's going to void the warranty. They're not going to be able to cover it. So if something under the roof has failed and it's not the manufacturer, well, the shingles have to come off. They're not going to be covering that. So it could put you at great risk. Another thing you need to understand is your attic ventilation. Now, we've talked about this in the past in other videos. If your ventilation is not evaluated and you given the proper prescription to correct it, that can void your warranty automatically. One of the first things that manufacturers ask on any warranty claim is, how does the ventilation look? If it's improper, you're in trouble. So again, check out our other videos. We're going to have a whole section on manufacturers' warranties and the fine print, the things that you need to know about warranty to make sure you're safe, you're covered, and as always, wind or hail, call Blue Nail.